Semester review number 44. Differentiable function has only one critical number, x equals -3. Identify the relative extrema of f at -3, f of -3. So we want to know if that's a min or a max. If we know that f prime of -4 is 1/2 and f prime of -2 is -1/2, and it's important to note that -3 is the only critical number. So let's see what's happening at -3 comma something. I don't know, I'll call that -3 f of -3. Okay, so f prime of -4. So at -4, we know the derivative is 1/2. And it's important to note that that's a positive. So at -4, since my derivative is 1/2, that means my original function is increasing at -4. So, and then at -2, we know we have a derivative of -1. Okay, so it has a slope of -1 at -2. Okay, so we know it's increasing here and then it's decreasing afterwards, so we can see that that has to be a maximum. Now just because we know it's increasing here, it could have decreased and increased but it could have done a whole bunch of stuff other than the fact that we know that -3 is the only critical point. They told us that. So if we know it's increasing here and then decreasing afterwards, then that had to have been a maximum at that point.